earbuds. Let's unbox it. 16.2 dynamic driver, 45 hours playtime, dual mic for noise cancellation. That is what it says on the box. Compatible with Android and iPhone. Alright. Sound is heaven. Well, there it is, there it is, there it is. Alright, let's put it aside. What kind of accessories I'm going to have? It's a manual, which, yeah, you could read to control your headphones, you see? With all the controls on the manual. Pause the video if you want to read it. Alright, alright. Accessories. What do we have? That's USB type A to C cable. And the case itself has 3 light indicators and USB type C 3.0 or 3.2. This is for the fast charging and transferring. Alright, this is how they look like. It's all magnetic. See? Very nice, very nice. Look how big are those speakers. Damn. Alright. Alright, now all we need to do is install that app. What is that? Relaxing concert hall. Fireworks, it's not relaxing. Walking on the grass. Bed. Alright. Okay, they have all kinds of relaxing sound. That's cool. And there you go, it says extended warranty. Warranty time 18 months, including 1 year manufacturer warranty. Warranty object, natural failure. Enter your Amazon order. I'm not going to do that now. Let's skip that. The device is connected. And now when we swipe it, we'll have 100% on both of them. Dual device connectivity. If you wanted to, disable touch. If you wanted to, gaming mode for low latency. Custom touch, so you can customize, double click, triple click. That's cool. Customization is vast. And of course, equalizer. We do have some presets if you wanted to customize for, yeah, of course. See, applying. Again, I'm not sure why it's applying all like. All right, it is applying all the time and adaptive. It adapts itself to your environment, to your head, to your ears, which is very, very cool. Alright, let's test the leakage, how much sound will go outside. Hitting maximum volume. Is it a lot? Very close to the microphone. This microphone is ultra sensitive. Alright, this is the close environment, so not the real life scenario. What if we go outside? Great for running! Wait, what? Someone left a bag of chips. Temptation is all around me. Maximum volume. Any leakage? Let me put it on half. I think half is plenty enough for the outside, a safe extravaganza. But the main question is, how do they sound? And they sound great. You see, the bigger it is, the better it sounds. And they are not small, but also comfortable, because they are very light and they won't fall off. They won't fall off like the regular in-ear canal wireless buds, which, yeah, we could fall off. With those, you'll have to stand on your head to lose them. Yeah. And of course, separation is awesome between low, highs, and mids. Nothing is mixing each other. You can clearly see a separate sound, which is great. They are not extremely bassy, but bassy. You see, many headphones are extremely bassy, especially from China. This is not the case with those. They sound great. And of course, they are not fatiguing your ears, because most of the wireless earphones are in your canal, inside, which in time, which could be, it could hurt, yeah? Those are on your ears, so, okay, they are giggling me a little bit, a little bit giggles, but other than that, great. What a device. Of course, huge battery life and range. I've tested for 10 meters, no problems. Everything above 10 meters, I mean, do you really do more than 10 meters from the smartphone? I don't know, maybe. Link in the description for you. One of the best wireless earphones I had ever. And that's something. Very advanced app and the device. And of course, noise cancellation is okay. It's not the greatest, like in the in-ear canal. It's not the same because it's on your ear, but it's okay. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Link in the description.